was gonna say you can make the first move, but that would be cheating, so
Yeah.
that's not gonna happen.
No cheat. Okay, we gotta fix that after. But that's how it usually is.
We didn't make it in time.
Not this time.
Not this time either.
Nope. We were busy playing some other game.
Yep.
Already starting singing before the music.
That was Freudian, or rather
A Freudian hum.
opinion on lack of force in PogChamps 5. Very disappointing, I would say. Maybe like this. Bring the knight in here. The new map pack sucks. Oh, I'm sorry. Your 14-year-old life is probably gonna suck. Could I speak up? Oh, do we have the wrong mic?
Are we... Wait?
No, it's probably just a troll.
Yeah, it's a troll.
Yeah, I think it's a troll.
Ja, du må kjøre på det som det går ut det.
What should we do? Let's castle. Rook e5? No, that's not a thing. His position is not so... It's not so great.
Just found the goat stream.
Goat stream. Where is the goat stream? Where is the goat stream? Which goat are you talking about?
Yeah,
we all want to know.
Send a link in chat.
Sound boys, says Pershin Meow.
Yeah, we're waiting for the sound.
Yep, we're waiting for the sound.
They started.
We never fix it on time.
Yeah.
This is the 30th Tuesday in a row we're doing a DJ stream, but we still haven't managed to fix the sound.
That's feedback to the Title Tuesday people. If you can like
to the Title Tuesday.
To
the Title Tuesdays.
Yeah.
Tuesday gods.
Next time, just delay the start until we fix the sound at least.
Yep. Please.
Ooh la la. Okay.
No, you cannot say that.
I can't say. I won't comment on. It was the hair that everybody.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought I had mate on h8. I'm such an idiot. Probably got to start focusing on at some point. Yeah. We're playing. Okay, let's go e4, blow it open.
We just need the music.
Just need the music, and then everything's gonna be fine.
That's what's missing in this game.
Can go f5. Have something more clever, probably not. This I can take. Rook e4.
Like
no, that's just a mate in 2.
That
Okay, we get the win. Big dub.